All right, question 8. We can kind of take a break from simplifying radicals and just solve for x. So the first thing I want to do is, since my parentheses is already isolated, we have no numbers going on in front or behind, nothing up this sleeve, nothing up this sleeve. We can actually just start by eliminating this exponent. So what we're going to do, the opposite of a cube, is a cube root. We're going to cube root both sides. So do not change anything inside the parentheses. This pretty just eliminates that. You're going to keep x plus 3. Do not change it. Don't make your life harder than it needs to be. Now for the cube root of 27, that's 3. And now we almost have x by itself. All I have to do is get rid of this 3. So we're going to subtract 3 to get a 0 there. But what I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So we get x equals, well, 3 minus 3 is 0.